We have a motto called IT never sleeps, and now with Cato I can sleep. Hello, I am Fabrice de Biasio. I am the CIO for SL Aviation based in Ireland.
The biggest thing by moving to Cato compared to what we had before is that I feel that we are in control. It's one of the biggest things that we have had in the company in the infrastructure area and security. So that was really, really good.
What we were running is an MPLS network, but unfortunately we still had a lot of outages, probably at least one a week, and our billing was a mess. With Cato, we removed that stress completely. My name is Steve Weibel. I'm the Director of IP for Brakemasters. We're an auto repair chain in the Western United States.
The centralized rule and security configuration that we have access to through the single pane of glass with Cato has made our life a lot more easy. The implementation of Cato has reduced a significant amount of time and effort spent in constantly checking our network security model. I couldn't speak more highly. The delivery model, outstanding.